Hello students, welcome to the science class. I hope you have read and revised the topics measurement and its need along with instruments used to measure length and weight. In today's class, I will teach you instrument used to measure capacity, time, temperature. So students, open your book at page number 100 and let's start our reading from the topic Instruments used to measure capacity. The amount of liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity. Underline the word capacity and write down its definition. Capacity of a container is the amount of the substance it can hold. We use special jars marked in millimeters and liters to measure capacity. These special jars are known as measuring cylinders and measuring cups. The standard unit for measuring capacity is liter. Underline the word standard unit and write down its definition. A unit accepted in whole world. Smaller quantities of liquids are measured in milliliter and larger quantities are measured in kiloliter. Water, juice, milk, soft drinks and hair oil are the liquids and are measured in terms of milliliter or liter. Moreover, the volume of these liquids are measured using measuring cylinders and measuring cups which are marked with regular intervals to allow us to measure. Different units of capacity are related to each other as follows. 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. 1000 liters equals to 1 kiloliter. Now come to the next topic, instruments used to measure time. In earlier days, people used to keep a track of time by watching the movement of the sun, the moon, and some fixed stars in the sky. Then, sundials were invented to measure time during the day. Later, pendulum clocks, wall clock, and digital clocks were invented to measure time. We use watches and clocks to know what is the time. Time is measured in hours, minutes, and seconds. The standard unit of time is second. The face of the watch or clock is divided into 12 parts, each showing 1 hour. Different units of time are related as follows. 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. A larger duration of time is day. 24 hours equals to 1 day. There are 24 hours in a day. 7 days make a week. 365 days make a normal year. 366 days make a leap year. Time in days, weeks and months can be seen in calendars. There are different types of clocks like wristwatch, wall clock, digital clock and stopwatch. There are 3 hands in a wall clock. The shorter and thick hand reads hours. The long and thick hand reads minutes. The longest and thin hand reads seconds. Digital clocks directly display time in numbers. A stopwatch can be started or stopped by pressing a button. It is used for measuring accurate time durations in sports such as in a 100-meter race. Now come to the next topic, that is instruments used to measure temperature. The measure of the hotness or coldness of a body is called its temperature. Underline the word temperature and write down its definition. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body. The device that is used to measure temperature is thermometer. Underline the word thermometer and write down its definition. An instrument used to measure temperature. There are different types of thermometers such as maximum, minimum thermometer, laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer. Maximum, minimum thermometer is used to record highest and lowest temperature of the day for the weather report. Laboratory thermometer is used to record temperature of the things used in laboratory. Clinical thermometer is used to measure temperature of human body. Clinical thermometer are of two types, mercury thermometer and digital thermometer. In a mercury thermometer, the mercury column rises up when it is kept under arm or tongue. In digital thermometer, temperature is displayed directly in numbers. The standard unit for measuring temperature is degrees Celsius. Temperature is also measured in degree Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's read Do You Know? Celsius is named after a Swedish scientist, Anders Celsius. Degree Celsius is also known as degree centigrade. So students, in today's class, I have discussed with you instruments used to measure capacity, time and temperature. So read and revise the chapter and also revise the cross questions. Thank you and have a nice day.